Temperatures are going to be cooling off tonight. It's 62 right now in Savannah. Already some 50s popping up on the map. Low temps will be in the upper 40s inland, low 50s on the immediate coastline. Out the door tomorrow, maybe a light jacket. We had some showers today and some storms, even a few severe storms across southern parts of Georgia. And all the severe storms have cleared through our cold front as well to our east, which means we will be dry tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, the weekend toward the eclipse day itself. And this cold front is contributing to a pretty intense storm across the northeast as well. We're talking snow for upper New England and also some sleet, maybe even some freezing rain as well. Hourly forecast out the door tomorrow, like I mentioned, maybe a light jacket will warm things back up from 52 at 8 a.m. So dropping the kids off to school might be a bit chilly. Winds will be out of the west between about 10 to 15 miles per hour in the morning hours. Toward the afternoon, wind will pick up. Notice just the wind speed between 15 to 20 miles per hour out of the west. That's going to keep us cooler in just the upper 60s. And that's also not factoring in wind gusts as well, which could be getting up to 30 miles per hour throughout the entirety of the day. So it's going to feel blustery. Now, it's not going to be a necessarily chilly breeze with temperatures in the upper 60s and the sun angle that we have. It's going to feel relatively mild out there, but still, compared to where we usually are, we're going to be more on the chilly side. Future temperatures by tomorrow afternoon with the winds out of the west will stay in the low 60s inland, a little warmer on the coastline. Out the door, though, early Friday morning, notice we're all going to be in the mid 40s with the exception for the immediate coastline islands like Tybee and Hilton Head. But west of 95, chance for low 40s. Warming back up on Friday into a very similar range to where we will be tomorrow in just the mid 60s. And that's going to get a little bit warmer Saturday into Sunday, but getting close to the eclipse day on Monday, that's when we'll warm back up into the mid 70s. So speaking of the eclipse, this is the path of totality. Our next one is not going to be the United States up until 2044. So if you can get the totality, if not, across the coastal empire and low country, we'll be at 70% coverage for that. The timing, of course, will start at 1:50 in the afternoon on Monday, concluding at 4:23. Glasses need to be on when observing this all throughout the duration of the eclipse. We'll have a detailed forecast on that in the next coming few days on our website. 50 tonight, gusty at times. Winds will pick up throughout the day tomorrow. High temperatures in the upper 60s. Abundant sunshine. That's going to be the story for the weekend into the early parts of next week. 75 for the eclipse day, warming back up into the 80s come late next week as we're timing our next weather maker that could be moving through about 7 to 10 days out from now. We're still so far out that what we do know is sunshine will be sticking around at least for the next 5 days. I'll take it. Even if it's a bit cooler than where we usually are, overall it's a pretty decent pattern as we are now continuing into that first, almost into second week of April.